Hello everyone. Welcome to the fourth video. Today, I want to talk to you about the opportunities offered by energy optimization through advanced technologies. Do you have any ideas about how it could benefit your company?
Hi. I have a general idea, but I would like to go deeper, especially on how these solutions could help us to reduce costs and be more sustainable.
Excellent approach. Starting with the basics, intelligent optimization of energy consumption uses tools such as artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, to analyze how you use energy, detect inefficiencies, and make automatic adjustments. For example, in smart buildings, these solutions have reduced consumption by up to 25%, achieving significant savings.
Interesting. What kind of automatic adjustments could you implement?
For example, for buildings, think of systems that control lighting or air conditioning in real time, adjusting them according to occupancy and space conditions. In addition, with smart sensors, you can monitor the energy consumption of each piece of equipment and prevent failures before they become costly.
That sounds good, but how can I plan for future energy demands?
This is where predictive energy demand and load management comes in. Using AI and big data, you can anticipate consumption patterns, adjust energy production, and balance the load on your systems. This not only improves efficiency, but also allows you to integrate renewable energies such as solar, wind, or batteries efficiently.
And that also helps to reduce costs?
Of course, if you combine forecasting with demand response systems, you can schedule the use of non-critical equipment at off-peak times, reducing rates. This also improves your return on investment, ROI, because you quickly recoup your investment in solutions such as LED lighting or efficient HVAC systems.
I understand. But how do we integrate renewables into our current system?
Smart grids and hybrid systems are the key. For example, you can combine solar energy with storage batteries to guarantee a continuous supply, even on cloudy days. And by using digital platforms, you can monitor generation and consumption in real time, optimizing the use of these sources.
That solves several problems, but what if we want to scale these solutions?
For that, you need systems designed with scalability in mind. Cloud technologies and modular designs allow you to expand your infrastructure without affecting operability. A good example is District 4.0 in Barcelona, where companies have adopted scalable technologies to stay competitive as they grow.
It sounds like a comprehensive solution. But what challenges might I face in implementing this?
The main ones are initial cost, compatibility with your current systems, and staff training. However, the initial investment is quickly offset by energy savings. In addition, by training your team, you can ensure that the solutions remain effective over the long term.
Sounds interesting. What would be the first step to get started?
Conducting an energy audit is crucial. This will allow us to identify inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement. With that data, we will design an action plan that includes the most appropriate technologies and strategies for your case.
Very good. But last year we did an energy audit where the vast majority of consumption was analyzed, so why do another one?
Perfect then, you already have a lot of work done. The good thing about artificial intelligence is that it allows you to analyze data from different points of view to optimize different solutions. I would be delighted if you would like to share with me that energy audit and study it to see if we can complement or improve it at some point.
Very good. Let's talk about how to implement that audit or review of the energy audit that's already been done. I'm interested in moving forward as soon as possible. Who should I contact to move forward?
Excellent decision. With this approach, you will optimize resources, save costs, and contribute to environmental sustainability. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other questions you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the energy efficiency of companies.